Hello and welcome back to Dav Facts Channel. Today, we embark on a voyage to uncover not only the delectable flavors but also the hidden health benefits that make lobster a culinary gem worth indulging in. Lobster isn't just a feast for the taste buds. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with lean protein, essential vitamins like B12, and minerals such as zinc and selenium, lobster earns its place as a nutritious delicacy. However, like all good things in life, moderation is key. While lobster offers an array of health benefits, it's also high in cholesterol and sodium. So, it's wise to enjoy it in moderation, savoring each succulent bite without overindulging. Picture this: a gentle sea breeze, the sound of waves caressing the shore, and the aroma of freshly cooked lobster filling the air. Dining at a beachside restaurant elevates the experience, turning a meal into a cherished memory shared with loved ones. Now, let's talk about culinary creativity. Lobster lends itself to a myriad of mouth-watering dishes, from classic lobster bisque to innovative creations like lobster tacos or lobster mac and cheese. The possibilities are as endless as the ocean itself. But for the ultimate indulgence, where should you go? Seek out renowned seafood markets or upscale restaurants in coastal regions known for their premium seafood offerings. Here, you'll find the most exquisite and often, the most expensive lobster dishes fit for royalty. But the true magic of lobster lies not just in its taste, but in the moments it creates. Whether it's a family reunion or a romantic dinner by the shore, lobster has a way of bringing people together, forging bonds that withstand the test of time. And where better to savor these moments than in the lap of luxury? From seaside resorts to exclusive dining destinations, the world offers a myriad of settings to indulge in the opulence of lobster cuisine. As we conclude our Epicurean exploration of lobster cuisine, remember to relish each moment spent savoring this oceanic treasure. If you enjoyed our culinary journey, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tantalizing tales from the world of gastronomy. Until next time, may your plates be full and your hearts be content. Bon appétit! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.